Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Hey man.
What up?
What?
What happened?
I thought somebody was out here shooting, man.
Nah, I don't know who that was.
That was your guy.
It wasn't that loud, was it?
It was loud. I was in there. I was like, I said, damn, I said, oh shit, we should have a shootout.
Nigga straight out of BTO. Steady get to the paper, they get some more. Yeah, growing up, I was thugging straight out the post. Grab a Glock and some chains, then hit the stove. Turn a 10 to a dub. I
don't know who the fuck that nigga blowing that horn at.
Keep pulling on my horn. Say, ho, stop playing, pull out a titty. Steady keep trying to play hard to show the stack, and now that hoe get you.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean CVI. You feel me? We back at it again with another video. You feel me? Y'all boys can see we behind on the wheel of the big Hellcat. You feel me? And as y'all can tell by the title and the thumbnail, my nigga, we're gonna go to the gun store to pick up some bullets for my Gen 6 Glock. Which, damn, hold on. I gotta show y'all boy where my Glock at. Hold on. It bit up under the seat because last night, I ain't gonna lie, last night I got pulled over twice. I got pulled over. The first time I got pulled over, I was at like Railroad Park. And the police will be pulling up on us every day, telling us to leave. So I cranked my car up and they pulled me over in the parking lot. But I didn't even drive off. But they wrote me 2 weak-ass, mange-ass motherfucking tickets. Them hoes in here somewhere. I don't even know where the fuck them bitches at. But fuck them tickets. We don't give a fuck about that. Then on my way home, I got pulled over again. Nigga heard me, you feel me, letting them shots off that butt. You feel me? That butt. So, goddamn, he pulled me over. He was like, well, that's your car that was backfiring? And I was like, hell no. I'm like, shit, I'm scared to get a tune, goddamn. He was like, I thought it was somebody shooting. I'm like, shit, that was another car. That was a goddamn Toyota Supra with big-ass turbo on that bitch. But, yeah, he let me go. But what I did was I had to put the Gen 6 up under the seat, you feel me, because the police be trying to take the damn gun and shit. And it take a month to get that whole back. Bitch, just check the shit. This is a Gen 6, bro. This bitch ain't even been out more than 4 months. I don't think. This bitch don't got no body on there. Like, check the damn gun and give me this shit back. So I just put that bitch up under the seat just in case they be like, do you have any guns on you? No, they don't got proper cause. Fuck, nigga. But anywho, y'all, enough of all that, nigga. We finna go ahead and go to the gun store, you feel me? We gonna go ahead and pop that motherfucking seatbelt on. And y'all, let's try to get this video up to 150 likes. It seemed like y'all enjoyed the last video, you feel me? So I do want to tell y'all boys I appreciate that, you feel me? I do appreciate the support and stuff. And we're gonna keep these videos coming. Did that rain? I'm scared now. It raining outside? I don't know. I don't get no fuck. See, I got my hood off and shit. And you feel me? I don't want to get caught up in no damn rain. But we should be okay. We should be. But yeah, I need to give me some goddamn, I need to give me some hollow points. Then they say my tire going flat. Fuck that shit. I know why I got that damn screw in my tire. I just gotta monitor it. See, my car turned into a damn Johnny, nigga. But anywho, I got these damn full metal jackets, I think. You know what? I'm gonna turn that bitch back around. I gotta put some air in my tire. So I'll cut the camera back on when I get back on the road. You know what, y'all? I might well keep that motherfucking camera rolling, you feel me? Why not? This is why my air's leaking out my tire though. You see this bitch right here? Yeah, that is that motherfucker there. But we're just gonna leave that bitch in there. We just gonna put some air in this bitch. It loses air very slow. Like, this bitch been in here for 3 weeks, and this is the first time I'm putting air in this hole. So, you feel me? We just gonna keep that shit like that until we get some more tires. Now we gotta plug this bad boy up. We gotta stick this bitch in the hole. No homo. We're gonna plug the dash cam for a moment. Put that bit up in there. Goddamn, we're gonna go ahead and turn this bitch on. So we're gonna get that like 5 or 10 minutes and I'm gonna cut the camera back on. All right, that is a motherfucking enough. Now we can take this bitch loose. Pull that bit back out the hole. No homo again. You feel me? We're gonna take this bit back in here and we're just gonna sit this bit in and but goddamn, we're just gonna sit this bit up here. Don't mind the garage, I know the junk we gotta clean up, you feel me? But let's go ahead and close that door. Run around to the driver's side, my nigga. And we back up on the motherfucking road because we control the traffic. I ain't gonna lie, it feel good not driving with your girl, you feel me? Because she be rolling the window up. Bitch, I'm trying to hit my exhaust. Then the bitch be leaning back and forth. I can't look out the mirror and shit. Shit be getting on my nerves. Oh, here she go right here. Huh? See? This her main dad go right here. This that main dad shit I be talking about.
I was just gonna go to the house and ask you when you look at my pipes.
The pipes?
Yeah.
What wrong with it?
It was. Come to the house.
I don't know who the fuck that nigga blowing that horn at, bitch ass nigga. They want to buy me some more bullets right motherfucking now, nigga. Fuck wrong with you folks. I ain't finna move. I ain't finna control traffic like that. I understand people got places to be. Now I'm finna bust this motherfucking U-turn. I should have fired a shot off at his ass. I ain't turning around no motherfucking more, y'all. I ain't lying. See, I told you, this that mangy shit. This why I like driving alone. Oh shit! That trap ball suspension got a nigga jumping like he got hiccups. Why they let off some shots? This shit gonna be loud. Why sound like a nigga shooting out this bitch. You feel me? But yeah, I would have to cut the camera back off one more motherfucking time. See, she don't know how to drive here and all these shots and shit going off. So I know her ass in that bit gripping the goddamn the orange and shit. Hopefully I can go ahead and go. I need to stop doing that shit now though, because I've been going down the same street and somebody gonna call the police to be like I was firing off shots. But I'm gonna blame it on my girl, you feel me? I'm gonna be like, her car got a underground tune on that bitch. I'm like, I ain't got no tune. I can reel my shit right now. It ain't gonna pop at all. I don't know what the fuck these niggas got going on. Go, goddamn it, bruh. It's that bullshit I be talking about. Bitch eating Cheetos and shit. Bitch, put the chips down and drive. Damn. Them nasty ass Cheetos. Who the fuck eat Cheetos? The cheese kind. And don't ask me how I can see that shit that good from the car. I can tell. I know exactly what these bitches eat. That shit sound crazy. That shit sound like the Iraq war. I don't know if I told y'all, but make sure y'all boy like, comment, and subscribe, you feel me? So we can, you know, keep getting these likes. Oh yeah, make sure that y'all boy hype up the video, you feel me? I don't know what it do, but it gotta do something good because it say hype. And I'm a hype ass nigga. You feel me? I'm also some of the things that I am gonna do to my oh shit, that would have got us killed. But some of the things I'm gonna do to the Gen 6, I'm gonna put a ramjet compensator on here. I'm gonna get either an Olight or a Hollison optic, like a red dot for here, for that bit. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. I'm also getting me a light with a laser combo and probably an FRT trigger. So let me know. I do want y'all to tell me a good FRT triggers and do they work all the time? Because I done heard that they didn't work. I mean, some of them probably don't work right, or I don't fucking know. I'm new to this FRT shit. That bitch sound crazy. Now that bitch said I can't even turn this way. Oh, here go my nigga in that green Mustang. I'm gonna push this shit back. Oh God, it sound like a nigga that got the dumping at a nigga ass with that Drake. Oh God. What the fuck is this nigga doing, bro? These old ass people, they instincts is horrible. Like once you get past 50, that's when your driving skills just plummet. Niggas can't drive to say they got down life. Niggas be nervous. Niggas slam on brakes and it don't be a car in sight. Nigga, oh shit. I thought I seen Jesus. No, nigga, you ain't dead yet. Damn. Now, I don't even know what I'm supposed to be going. Let me see. I think I'm supposed to go up like 1 or 2 more blocks. And then I'll find a place. I'm way off. Alright, let me go ahead and stop because that wasn't me. I don't know who the fuck that nigga was doing that shit. See, you gotta pull up. After you do that shit, you gotta pull up like nothing ain't never happened. See, these bitches already looking at me. They know I did it. They see a black nigga with a head mount on his head in a Hellcat. That nigga already know who did it. And I'm finna walk in this. Oh, let me put my goddamn gun up. Well, no, I don't gotta put my gun up.
Hey, man.
What up?
What?
What happened?
I thought somebody was ain't shooting, man.
Nah, I don't know who that was.
That was your guy.
It wasn't that loud, was it?
It was loud. I was in there. I said, damn, I said, oh shit, we finna have a shootout. Yeah, man, I'm all sticking up when we pulled up.
Yeah. So he thought they were having a shootout. We coming in here to look at some bullets and maybe a holster. He said, critical defense bullets. These bitches $32. I don't remember bullets being this high, or am I getting cheaper? I ain't gonna lie, ever since I bought a house, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I watch my money way more. You feel me?
What about? I can be able to see you on that.
What you got? The Lightning? How much horsepower it made?
It's 585 horsepower, 775
pound torque. Well, all you got done to it.
It's all-wheel drive too.
Yeah. No, you definitely got me off the line. I can't. It's a lot of cars I can't mess with off the line.
If it's a little slick outside, I'll get you.
Yeah, you definitely got it from stock.
Oh,
Yeah. All right, y'all. So we're back in this bitch. So you feel me? Your boy picked up a holster. This is not no, high, no goddamn. This ain't no expensive ass or crazy. Well, it is expensive to me. This motherfucker $34, and the bullets was another $34. The shit is high as hell. I don't know what the fuck going on. I don't know if in my younger days when I was like, you feel me, 19, I just didn't give a fuck about money. But this shit kind of hurt. But anywho, you feel me? We got a holster. This is the first holster I've ever bought in my life. So, you feel me? It do work for my gun. You feel me? This bitch is kind of ugly, but it's gonna get the job done. We also bought some of these critical defense bullets. I was gonna buy 2 packs, but a nigga is on a budget. I don't feel like spending. I get tired of spending money, y'all. Like, nigga, gas, all that shit, nigga. Nigga be down there spending $35, like goddamn $3,500 a goddamn a month. I'm trying to goddamn stack up so I can get this goddamn black wing. You feel me? But we finna take these bullets out, put these bullets in. I wish I had some gloves, you feel me? Because my fingerprints are in the system now. But you feel me? See, if I kill somebody, it's gonna be for self-defense. So it ain't like I'm just out here sliding on niggas. You feel me? So I don't gotta worry about this shit. Shit. If I kill somebody anyway, I gotta report it to the police. So I can get my self-defense case rolling. So we're gonna take these bald head bullets out and we're gonna put these period blood left on the tip of your meat bullets in. No better. Damn! Boy, it takes so long to put the whole 33 up in this bit, bro. Like, nigga hands be bleeding by the time he get done, goddamn, putting the bullets in and stuff. Like, come on now. Then I couldn't just sit here with my car on because the carbon monoxide was gonna fill up in my lungs. And as soon as I got done eating my Waffle House, whenever I go in there and order it, nigga would have been dead. You feel me? Carbon monoxide ain't nothing to play with. You feel me? Real nigga. My partner ain't hit me up since yesterday morning. I think his ass just got locked up. And I was trying to text his sister to check on a nigga. This bitch got her Instagram on goddamn private. Bitch, who you think you is? The president? Take that motherfucking Instagram on private. I'm trying to check to see if my boy good. Damn. My boy already in there for no reason. If he in there. You feel me? I don't know, bro. Sean's TV got a weird life. I know I'm just talking to y'all because I'm trying to talk so I can ease the pain of putting these damn bullets in this bitch. I don't even know how many. Damn, I got one more. No, I actually got probably like 3 fucking more. Oh, okay, I got one more up under the seat. I forgot it's 33 in this bitch. So this should be the last one. Woo! I'm gonna put that bitch in there like that. And you feel me? You gonna put that bitch right there. And you feel me? You good to go. I got this in. Hold on, this shit wrong. That shit ain't supposed to be like that. My dumb ass. It's supposed to be like, wait, how the fuck is this shit supposed to be? See, this that shit that I be talking about. Like, I don't know, y'all. But anywho, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and make sure you hype the video up. Let's get this video up to 150 likes like the last video, and we're gonna keep this shit coming. Gang.